pick it up, and keep doing this. Hello, and welcome to Science Mawai 4282. My name is Alaz Mawai, or simply Prod. Today, we have a science experiment. So let's get started. You need a plate, a phosphor, a candle, 2 glasses, a glue, and of course, a bottle of water. The first thing you will do is to take your paper after you folded it and dip it in the water. It is obvious that the paper will be wet, and after that, all you have to do is to glue it and stick it on the plate. And that is why you need a glue. After that, light up the candle while it's on the paper and make sure the candle sticks to the paper. Now you can take one of your glasses and cover the candle. And this is what will happen. So after that, you can put a little bit of water in your glass. And in the end, you just have to pick up your first glass. And this is what happens. Oh, it is fascinating. And you can try to pick it up, and keep doing this. So that's it for today, guys, and I hope it works very well for you. Tell me if it did or not, as well as what you think about the video. I will bring you more science experiments, and I hope to see you there. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye! Oh, how was that?
So good.
I liked it as well.